Welcome to GBI Cars and a walk around video of our 2017 Nissan Qashqai Accenta. This car comes with a 1.5 diesel turbo engine and the manual gearbox, which is ULEZ compliant, producing 108 brake horsepower and returning up to an impressive 74 miles per gallon. The insurance group is 17 and the car comes with good service history, having covered just over 63,000 miles. This particular colour is the ink blue. As we have a look inside, first of all, you notice you've got a nice clean interior. The seats are in great condition. Nice hard wearing fabric on those too. And there's a armrest and two cup holders in the centre for the front passengers. Onto the dashboard, you have your CD player there in the centre with Bluetooth for your phone. And you also have air conditioning with climate control, the automatic headlights and wipers, and then cruise control there on the right hand side of the steering wheel. And then finally, on the driver's door card, your electric folding mirror and full window controls. The Qashqai is a great car for the family, so easy access there into the back, nice wide door opening, and lots of legroom and headroom if you're getting children in and out of car seats. And the rear bench has 3 individual seat belts, and it's good to see the car's still got the original carpet floor mats from Nissan too. Opening the tailgate reveals a good sized boot there with the split folding rear seats and the parcel shelf that's still in place. And then you also have the adjustable floor, which is at its highest point at the moment, so you can hide bits and pieces underneath, or you can lower it completely or remove it completely, and then that increases the volume. And then finally, underneath the boot floor, just lift that there, you've also got your tyre inflator kit there too. Externally, the car comes with LED daytime running lights, the 17-inch alloy wheels, and also front and rear parking sensors. The car's also been independently inspected by the AA, who've been through a 128-point check for your peace of mind. And you'll also receive 12 months AA breakdown cover, a 3-month warranty that you can extend up to 3 years, and we can help you finance the car up to 5 years with no deposit. So if you have any questions or you'd like to book a test drive, then please do give us a call. The number's 01525 305 016. Thanks for watching.